Hey!
Is this rehearsal?
Sure? You went.
Oh, wait.
Oh, there.
Oh, the first one. Who's the first one?
안녕하세요.
BCXPQ45411. What's the first one?
They are the first ones in the live. Okay. Hi, icons.
Hello.
So Yoonchae and I are going to have a mukbang with Korean food and snacks because Chuseok is coming up,
Yes.
and
I couldn't celebrate Chuseok in Korea, so she wanted to join with me.
yes, because I also celebrate Chuseok in the Philippines because we had a lot of Koreans going to my school, and so we celebrated it at school.
Yes. So she knows.
So I know.
She knows.
Okay, Yoonchae, tell them what we got.
Okay, first we got. Let's see. We got this yakgwa.
Yakwa!
You know yakgwa?
Yakwa!
Korean snack, Korean traditional snack, and Chuseok. Because Sophia wanted this.
Look at
And
the chopsticks. It's nice.
this. We got this.
This. We got this. We got this.
Okay, and
Oh my god! You're turning into me.
we got this.
Can't see the comments. Okay.
Okay, wait. Closer. We got this. This is Sophia's favorite.
That's what I was craving.
Yeah.
I was like, Yoonchae, we have to get that. This is what we have to get.
And
Keep going.
okay. And we got Hey, Koreans. Are you
Hey,
there?
Koreans.
Are you there? 떡볶이.
Tteokbokki.
엽기 떡볶이 시켰어요.
Okay.
Okay.
What? Oh, it's because I say it like that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
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 Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Onion rings?
Oh, I didn't know we got onion rings. No, I didn't get onion rings.
Well, maybe they just.
Okay. And
I washed my hands.
tuna mayo.
I
And
love that.
what is
With
this?
the glove, and you're like.
Do you know this?
Noodles.
중국 당면.
중국당면. What did you say?
중국 당면.
중국당면.
중국 당면. No, because you know why I got this? I just found out, like 2 days ago, I found out that in LA they have this brand 떡볶이 in here. I just found out, and I get homesick. I usually get homesick because of this.
Like you crave the taste of it.
I crave the taste of it because it's my
I
favorite.
understand.
Favorite
'cause I'm also
delivery
very
food.
homesick.
Right? Like,
Like I need lechon.
I know. And
It's okay.
wait, what do you want?
Yeah, I gave you already. Here.
Oh, thank you.
Wait, you didn't show everything. Did you show this?
I showed this.
Okay.
And
Wait, did you show this?
yes, I did.
We had a budget
I
when we
showed-
were shopping. We had a budget when we were shopping, and we thought we were gonna go over budget. And then last minute, Yoonchae grabbed this and threw it in there. And then once it was checkout, it was exactly on the dot. Like we had like $30 left, and then she like put it, and then it was like perfect, like 30.
Yes.
It was such a shock. Like I was just,
This, like,
is that Cooking Mama? No.
I don't know what it is, but like in Korea, like
Mama.
when I was young, I used to get this every time because when we are paying, there's this.
Yeah, that's how
There.
they get you.
Yes,
That's how they get you.
And when I was a kid, I was like, Mama,
Mama, I want that.
I want this.
Can we eat?
And I got this. Yeah.
Can we eat?
Yeah,
Pig pie.
Just like,
I'm so hungry. We fasted today so that we could eat today. Okay, teach me how to eat it.
Just get. Just get cheese.
Wow.
I like fish cake, so
Me too.
fish cake. Wait,
Should I get a plate? Or maybe can you get... Or you use the cover?
Yeah.
Do we need like a glove or something for that? Or like what? Like what?
We can use spoon.
Yeah, let's just use a spoon. It's not that deep. Shall we take the first bite?
Wait. First bite. You go
What?
first. Huh?
Oh, because you should eat first.
No, you have to eat first. But I was just gonna say.
Makna eats first?
No.
Oh, sorry.
I was gonna.
What?
I was just gonna say. 3, 2, 1. To go. 한가위 보내세요. Okay.
Okay, how do I say like let's enjoy the food?
잘 먹겠습니다.
Slower.
잘
잘
먹겠습니다.
먹겠습니다. 잘 먹겠습니다.
먹겠습니다. 드세요.
Wow!
Right? Wait, I have to try it. 뭐지?
Wow!
It tastes the same.
It does?
Mm-hmm.
That's rare.
That's rare.
Wow. Somebody
Oh.
said I'm sorry, but I have to go. Why are you leaving?
Oh.
Sausage.
Hey. It's a little bit different, but that's fine.
Wow. Now Yoonchae is... She's mixing the tuna rice.
Yeah, it's easier if I have that gloves.
Oh, I have... you said we were gonna have the rice drink.
Yes, shike. Can you mix it, please?
Okay. Yoonchae's really sore because we've been working really hard.
Crazy. Icon. We're working really hard for you guys to see something.
It's a little bit spicy. And I can eat spicy food, icons. Like, I love spicy food. But the thing is, physically, I don't handle it very well. Like, even though it's like a little bit spicy, I'm gonna start sweating. So right now, my nose is getting sweaty. Like, the first thing that sweats on my face is that I get like sweat freckles.
You think that's spicy?
I think it's a little spicy, but I'm like I can, like, taste-wise, I'm fine. It's just physically, I start to... Oh, not that. Not those mugs.
You're right.
They're special mugs, that's why.
We don't really have cups.
Okay, so I think I'm doing a really good job mixing this right now. You think so, icons? There's a what? Is there something on my chin? There's something behind me? Yo, I'm like blind right now, so I can't... My face, what? Is there something on my face?
Yeah, is this fine?
Yeah. Is there something on my face? Y'all are playing with me.
Oh,
They fucking
no,
with me.
you have something in your face.
What?
On your face.
Where?
Beauty.
dirty. You give me a dirty mouth.
It's fine.
Okay. There's no music. Can we play music?
Do you have playlists that you can play?
Yes, I have a playlist that I can play.
Okay.
I actually do.
You actually do.
Okay.
Gnarly. Everything's gnarly. Okay, next song. Enough. I think that's enough. Oh wow, I've never played this.
What's that?
This doesn't really have this in Korea. This.
They be trying to copy. I don't know if you like my playlist. Ooh, there's some BTS in here.
너의 사랑이면 너무 곱다. 아빠 대체 어떻게? 나도 써야 될지. Oh, by the way, this is chicken.
Oh, wait, what is it?
This chicken. Oh, fish cake. Do you like fish cake? Get bad girl. You're fine with using spoon, right?
Why?
Use the spoon.
Oh yeah.
I'm
gonna try this. What?
It's my sister's favorite.
Here, onion.
TMI. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But you know what you have to do?
What?
Like, can I?
Yeah, we've been using our chopsticks inside. So like spoon.
Like, use this like soup in the rice?
Yeah.
Yes. Use it with rice. We're like singing and eating the same thing.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I can't talk to you. I'm eating.
It's like funny.
Whoa! Can you put it here?
Yes, they're brilliant. But
Okay. Yoonchae,
hmm?
what do you usually do when it's Chuseok? Like, do you just eat?
Do I just eat?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Chuseok. We just go to parents' house, grandparents' house,
Yeah.
and we see our cousins.
It's time for bed.
No, it's not, Miss Girl.
Thank you for telling us. So, and they usually cook. Our parents cook, and we like cousins, like us, like cousins, daughters and sons. We usually go. It's seaweed with
Noodles.
noodles. Yes.
Mmm. You didn't do anything.
It's like really hard.
Look, it's still one. You know?
Yes, but I don't know if you can help me.
If I do the other direction. Maybe we need scissors. Ow! You scratch me! You scratch me with the chopstick! Wait.
You're
we're
not
gonna-
supposed to eat like this. We put this out too much. Oh, cheese.
Come on!
Come
Why are
on.
you defying me?
No, you have to put it like in the sauce really well.
It's not working though.
Those are so many rice cakes.
Because it's tteokbokki.
No, but I got
Hello?
no because I got fish cake one.
Oh. Oh, this
So-
is fish cake?
Yeah, but there should be in it rice cake a little bit more, a little bit, but yeah.
Mm. My little soda pop. This is really good, Yoonchae. I think this is the best tteokbokki I've ever had.
Yay. It's really good.
Let's play another song.
Can we play like chill vibe song? Wait, I also
I have a lot of Leve.
Really? I also have some.
Let's listen to Leve.
Okay.
Oh, I love this song. I'm getting like
Really? Sorry. Really? Did I like spread you?
There was
I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Huh?
It's fine.
Sorry.
Realize myself. Truth. I will speak. Horse Street. Do you know the videos where it's like, what do you call it? Poly something. Like you hear music differently, and Grant did it. And he was like,
What?
I have to show you. There are like TikTokers who are like doing this. Wait, I swear. I just saw Grant post it. But it's like you hear music differently. Look. Polyphonic perception. He was like,
Wow.
I was like, wow. All I can hear is doo, 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 doo. And then I saw one TikTok. Wait, there was this one TikToker. It was so funny. This is so funny. I need to make this a TikTok. We're like, boba tea. Darling.
Wait, I'm.
Yeah, just trying to play boy. Oh my god, I think I just like got like a splinter somewhere.
Oh.
Do you see it? She got it out. I got a splinter. Is that wood or is that hair?
Wood.
Oh, it's from the. Did you see that YOONCHAE just saved me? Like I was like feeling a splinter.
Oh.
Oh, what? What? Are you getting full?
No.
I can still keep going. I took a break.
Heartburn.
Oh, heartburn. Drink water.
I saw someone was saying they think I have. Was it? I forgot the name too. The. What is it? The like you listen to music and you like reminds something. Because of that interview, one interview. Like drawing.
Oh.
Like you like
I don't know what it's called, but I know what you're talking about.
like you know like that kind of thing. And I'm not, guys.
She's like, I don't have that.
I wish I have it, but no.
I was telling YOONCHAE how. Wait. I was telling YOONCHAE how I sat in the bathtub last night for 2.5 hours. And my bathroom is like right next to her room. So